Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the compressor safe. Disconnect power, bleed the tank to 0 psi, and lock out the circuit. Once safe, remove the belt and guard so you can access the pump pulley. Make sure to take clear photos of the assembly and note shaft orientation and spacer placement. This prevents reassembly errors. Then unbolt the pump from its mount and support it. With the unit accessible and documented, you're ready to remove the pulley and begin bearing extraction. Once the pulley is exposed, use a correct-sized puller to avoid shaft damage. Pull evenly until the pulley clears. Next, remove any retaining rings and press the old bearing out using a hydraulic press or carefully with a drift and soft hammer. Support the housing to prevent distortion. Clean the shaft and bore thoroughly, then warm the bearing or cool the housing as needed. Press the new bearing in squarely using a drive sleeve that contacts the bearing race, and then apply the specified grease before reassembling. You now reinstall the pulley and any spacers in the original order, tighten bolts to torque spec, realign the belt to correct tension, and replace guards. Once assembled, restore power and run the compressor slowly, building to about 20–30% pressure while watching for unusual noise, heat, or vibration. This confirms the bearing is seated and lubricated. If something feels off, stop immediately. Troubleshooting tip: if you still hear grinding or vibration, recheck shaft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.